Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A cone has a base circumference of 44 meter. Then what is the lateral surface area of that cone if its height is 13 meter? So let's say this is our cone having radius r and height h, and this is our slant height, that is L. So what is given in the question is circumference. So circumference of base is given, that is 44 meter, and we know that the circumference of base here is circular, so its circumference will be equal to 2 pi r. So from here the radius will be equal to 44 divided by 2 pi. Let's substitute the value of pi as 22/7. So radius will be equal to 7 meter. Also the height is given. So let's say the given height h is given as 13 meter. So from here we can find out slant height, that is L, which is equal to h square plus r square. We can see from the figure, it's using Pythagoras theorem, or we know the formula for slant height, that is h square plus r square. So after substituting the value of h as 13 and radius as 7, we'll get the slant height as under root 218, which is equal to 14.764, and the unit is meter. Now we have to find the lateral surface area of cone. We know that the lateral surface area of cone is given by pi r L. So let's substitute the value of pi as 3.14, or you can take 22/7, and the radius is 7 meter, and the slant height we calculated 14.764, and the final unit of lateral surface area will be meter square. So if we simplify it, we'll get 324.512 meter square. So this is our lateral surface area of cone.